Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making vegan mozzarella cheese. Shreddable, melty, and tasty. I can put it on pizza or French onion soup. I have those two recipes available. Now let's get started. First, you have soaked 100 grams of cashews in water overnight. This will change to 160 grams approximately. Get all of your ingredients ready and have your mise en place. First, we're going to do the dry ingredients. So take 50 grams of tapioca flour and 15 grams of carageenan. Next, measure out nutritional yeast, about 10 grams. Add salt, 10 grams. You will be adding 75 grams of coconut oil. Try not to spill it all over the place like me. Add 3 grams of extra virgin olive oil, a dash of liquid smoke, very important, 10 grams of vinegar, and 15 grams of lemon or lime juice, freshly squeezed, and go at it in your blender. Put the kettle on, you have boiling hot water, approximately 525 grams. You're pouring that right into the blender once everything is already blended. This is the cooking mechanism, heat from the boiling water. You should have a result looking like this. Smooth, creamy. If you want, you can strain it more. Bada bing, bada boom, we're all done. Nice and smooth. Pour them into approximately small containers. I put them in 2 little cake tins like this. They came out perfectly. Now you can age them in the fridge. I would say up to 1 week. 1 week I would push it. Now take it out as you wish. It is totally shreddable, totally tasty, melty, and delicious. Okay, folks? So I hope you had a great time learning how to make vegan mozzarella cheese. Please subscribe to my new videos. Check out my website. It's got all the videos and the recipes and a whole bunch of other nutritional stuff. So you guys have a great day. Eat some more vegan pizza, y'all.